In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay sales tax in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool that makes managing your business finances easier. One of its essential features is helping you stay on top of your sales tax obligations, ensuring your payments are accurate and on time. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of recording your sales tax payments seamlessly. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the panel on the left side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled Taxes. This will take you to the Taxes page where you can manage all your tax-related tasks. Next, select the tab that says Sales Taxes. If it's your first time accessing this section, QuickBooks may prompt you to complete a short setup process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. It's quick and easy, and once it's done, you'll be ready to move on. Now, locate the specific sales tax you need to manage. You'll see a list of sales taxes displayed on the screen. Take a moment to find the one you want to pay. Once you've identified it, click on the option that says Review Sales Tax for the tax you selected. This will bring up the details of the sales tax. Carefully review the information displayed to make sure everything is accurate. Double-check the amounts, dates, and any other relevant details. If something doesn't look right, now is the time to address it. Once you've verified all the details, click on Record Payment to proceed. This will open a form where you'll enter the payment details. Fill in the payment amount, the date you made or will make the payment, and any notes or reference numbers that you want to include. These notes can be useful for your records, so feel free to add any details that will help you keep track of the payment. Finally, when all the fields are filled out and everything looks good, click Add to save the payment information. QuickBooks will then record the payment, and you're all set. And that's how you pay sales tax in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.